Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and here let's scroll down and tap on additional settings. On the very first position we've got date and time, so simply tap on it, and here we've got quite a lot of options to customize. First of all, we can set date, time and the time zone manually, so just turn off those options in order to activate this. So here by swiping we can change and choose the date we want to use, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, confirm it. As you can see, it immediately changes on the status bar. And let's change the time zone, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of all available ones. So let me pick this one and let me get back. As you can see, it is immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone manually, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the time format option, so we can decide if we want to use 12-hour format, 24-hour format or auto, so it will be based on the system language. I will pick the 24-hour for example, and as you can see, it is immediately applied. Under it we've got also the option with the dual clock, so you can show dual clock when current time is different from that on the second clock, and so on and so on. So of course you can turn off this option whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher. Okay, got it. You can tap on this, you have to actually tap on the second clock and choose the time zone from which you want to check the time. Let me get back, and actually this is the whole customization of date and time section, and you can go back to all previous settings. Just tap on the auto, tap on the switcher to use network provided time zone and network provided time. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.